Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can clear cache in TokenPocket app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So to clear cache on TokenPocket app, all you need to do is simply tap open your app from your home screen. So once you tap open your app, you will end up in this page where all you need to do now is simply tap on the me icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner. Simply tap on the settings option. From where you need to simply scroll down below and find the clear cache option right there. So simply tap on it and tap on the confirm button. Once you do so, your cache on the TokenPocket app will be completely cleared, and once the cache is again filled in, you can simply follow these steps to clear it again. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.